Today we are looking at the 2020 Toyota Tacoma 4x4 double cab in cement gray. This truck is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to look at are these jet black leather seats. These seats contain heating in the front. This jet black theme is followed throughout the entire vehicle, all the way to the steering wheel, which holds your controls for media and volume control, cruise control, and lane assist. Behind the steering wheel to the right are your controls for your windshield wipers, and to the left, your headlight controls. Behind the steering wheel is your gauge cluster, as well as a small screen displaying things such as vehicle information, fuel economy, and more. In the center of the dash is your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with Bluetooth, built-in navigation, and more. Below, you'll find your climate control settings, as well as your controls for heated seats. As previously mentioned, this Tacoma is a 6-speed manual, and here is the gear shifter, as well as the e-brake. On the left-hand side, you'll find your power controls for windows, locks, and mirrors, as well as your auto high beam controls, traction control, and other options. As we take a look at the exterior, you'll notice TRD 4x4 Sport branding, as well as these aluminum wheels on all-terrain tires, allowing for a safe drive on all terrains. Below, you can see these black assist steps, allowing for easy entry, as well as tinted rear windows. Heading to the back, to release the tailgate, all you do is pull that lever and you have access to the cargo bed. On the right hand side, we have a 120 volt charger. As we jump into the back seat, your rear passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, as well as 2 cup holders. These rear seats are split in a 60-40 fashion, which means we can pull this tab to move the seats forward and get some additional storage. This tab is also on the other seat. Look up and you'll see that beautiful power sunroof, allowing light into the vehicle. And that is the 2020 Toyota Tacoma in cement gray, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, and we'll be happy to help.